How to fine-tune BERT models in TensorFlow. In this video, we will learn how to customize BERT models for text classification using TensorFlow, a crucial skill for enhancing NLP applications with state-of-the-art performance. Welcome to our journey on mastering one of the most powerful tools in natural language processing, BERT. You might be wondering, why bother with fine-tuning? Well, BERT's pre-trained models have revolutionized NLP, offering remarkable capabilities. But to harness its full potential for your specific tasks, fine-tuning is essential. In this video, we'll explore how to tweak these models using TensorFlow to boost performance and customize them for your unique needs. So, let's dive in.
Before we dive into the practical aspects, let's understand BERT's architecture. BERT, which stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, relies on a transformer architecture. This involves multiple layers of attention mechanisms that allow the model to focus on different parts of a sentence, capturing context more effectively. BERT is pre-trained on a massive corpus, but fine-tuning tailors it to specific tasks like sentiment analysis or question answering by modifying only a few parameters. Its bidirectional approach means it considers context from both the left and right of a word, making it highly effective for understanding nuances in language. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial as we move forward.
Now that we understand BERT's architecture, let's set up our environment for fine-tuning using TensorFlow. Begin by installing TensorFlow and other essential libraries using pip. Ensure your environment is configured correctly, and if possible, leverage GPU acceleration to speed up the training process. Import necessary libraries, including TensorFlow, transformers, and any data processing tools you'll use. This setup forms the backbone of our project, so make sure everything is optimized for seamless execution. By the end of this block, you'll have a fully prepared environment ready for model fine-tuning. With TensorFlow ready, it's time to load a pre-trained BERT model. The Hugging Face Transformers library offers a wide range of BERT models, each suited to different needs. Choose a variant that aligns with your task, for example, BERT Base Uncased for general tasks or BERT Large Uncased for more complex scenarios. Using the Transformers library, loading these models into TensorFlow becomes effortless, allowing you to start with a robust foundation. Selecting the correct model is pivotal, as it influences the performance and efficiency of your fine-tuning process. The success of fine-tuning largely depends on how well you prepare your dataset. Start by selecting a dataset that's not only relevant but also clean and well-structured. Pre-process your data by normalizing text and removing any noise. Tokenization is crucial. Use BERT's tokenizer to convert your text into tokens that match the model's vocabulary. If your dataset is imbalanced, consider techniques like oversampling or data augmentation to ensure a fair representation of all classes. Paying attention to these details significantly enhances the model's ability to learn and generalize. Once your data is ready, it's time to customize the BERT model for your specific classification task. This involves adding new layers on top of BERT's output, often a dense layer followed by a softmax for multi-class tasks or a sigmoid for binary classification. Adjust model parameters such as learning rate and batch size to suit your data. Understanding the output layers and configuring the correct loss function is essential for effective learning. These customizations are what tailor the BERT model to your unique needs, providing the precision and accuracy your application demands. With customization complete, we're ready to train our fine-tuned BERT model. Define your training parameters: learning rate, epochs, and batch size, and ensure your data is split into training and validation sets. Monitor performance using metrics like accuracy and loss. Be vigilant for signs of overfitting, such as a discrepancy between training and validation accuracy, and employ techniques like dropout or early stopping if necessary. Evaluating your model on validation data gives insights into how well it might perform in real-world scenarios, ensuring your fine-tuning efforts are paying off.
To get the most out of your BERT model, hyperparameter optimization is key. Adjust parameters like learning rate, batch size, and dropout rates to find the best configuration. Tools such as Optuna or HyperOpt can automate this process, conducting a search for the optimal settings. This tuning can significantly affect performance, leading to more accurate and efficient models. Remember, hyperparameter tuning is an iterative experiment with different settings. Evaluate results, and refine your approach for the best outcomes. Once your model is fine-tuned and optimized, it's time to deploy it in real-world applications. Export your trained model in a format that's compatible with your deployment environment. Integrate the model into your applications, ensuring it can handle real-time data and scale as needed. Monitor performance continuously to catch any deployment issues early. As your data evolves, be prepared to retrain or tweak your model to maintain accuracy. This deployment step is where your hard work pays off, allowing your applications to leverage cutting-edge NLP technology. Congratulations on mastering the art of fine-tuning BERT models with TensorFlow. We've covered everything from setting up your environment to deploying your model in applications. Remember, continuous learning and experimentation are key. As you apply these skills, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of NLP and machine learning. Your journey in mastering BERT has just begun, and we're here to support you every step of the way.